Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel Melodrama by Tanya. Halloween is round the corner and today's tutorial is going to be a little hutke, a little different, and it's going to be like a skull makeup tutorial. I've never done something like this before, so if you're interested to see what kind of look I'm able to achieve, let's get started now. So as you can see, I've gone ahead and used a bit of a concealer, which is the MAC Pro Concealer and Correct Palette in NC15 over my eyes, and I'm just going ahead and using this amazing eyeshadow palette from Urban Decay, which is called Born to Run. I'm going and using the darker brown shades from there just over my eye, and with a back and forth motion, just concentrating into the socket of the eye and literally just going ahead and placing the dark brown powder. With a black eyeshadow from the same palette, you can see I'm just going on the outer corners of the eye just to create a little bit of dimension. Then I'm gonna go and literally cover my whole eyelid with this black color, as well as try to take this color a little bit on the outer corners all the way till my hairline on the side. At this point, you just need to remember that the uglier your makeup looks, the better it is for you. So don't worry if it's not in alignment, it looks a bit messed up, because that is exactly the look that we're going for today. So mess it up as much as you can. The next thing that I'm going to go ahead and do after this is just go for an eye pencil, and the eye pencil that I'm using is a Maybelline eye pencil for big eyes liner pencil. And this is a jumbo pencil with white on one side and black on one side, and what I'm going to go ahead and do is literally just line my waterline with this black pencil and then just mess up my whole eye. Like I said before, it doesn't matter how ugly or dangerous you look. This is your opportunity to not get the perfect eye and go with your freestyle and messiness, whatever you like. So as you can see, I'm literally just contouring my under eye and taking the black everywhere where I feel it's necessary. It's time to go ahead, once this is done, to add a little bit of goldish brown to the under eye, and like you can see from the same Born to Run palette from Urban Decay, I'm just going ahead and taking the lighter brown muddy color and just going ahead and framing my under eye with that color. Start from the inner corners of the eye into the socket and under the eye as low as you want to take it, and go all the way up. So like you can see, you don't need any special makeup for this, just with any of the eyeshadow palettes that you have at home. It's very easy to achieve this look. The foundation of choice today is my Huda Beauty foundation, and this is the 4 filter foundation in 330 number N, and it's called Butter Pecan. I think it's a really nice foundation and glides on really easily, so I'm just putting a few spots and drops all over my face, and I'm just going to go ahead with a beauty blender, blend the whole foundation gently into my skin. Ensuring that I blend all the makeup into my skin, I'm going to go ahead and
face paint, which I bought from Primark. It's called the Witch Face paint, and I'm just going to go for the black color from this little palette, and start drawing a skull-like look over my cheekbones. So I'm going to go and start by drawing some lines, holding my hand steady, and then just trying to draw some lines down my jawline and cheek all the way down to my outer corner of my lips. At this point, don't worry if it doesn't come very neat and tidy, because remember, the whole look is supposed to be not neat and tidy. Making sure that I kind of blend the black as I go along on both cheeks. I try to go with, again, from the same palette, just a dark brown color, and try to shade the underneath of my cheekbones where I've already gone ahead and outlined with the black. So all the way on both the cheeks, I'm just going to go from top to bottom to the outer corner of my lips and shade it with the brown to go ahead and give that sunken kind of an illusion and really high dead kind of cheekbones. So go ahead and try that out. After the shading, I'm going to go and move on to my nose, and using the same face paint palette, I'm just going to try to draw a really thin 2 lines on my nose and fill the rest of it with the black paint on either sides, trying to give the illusion of a really sunken deep nose. Once the nose is completed, I'm going to go ahead and take my NYX Wonder Stick for highlighting and contouring. This is like an amazing stick, and this is by NYX, like I said before, and it comes in 2 shades. The top part is light and the bottom part is dark, like this. So I'm just going to go over the cheekbones at the bottom just to highlight the brown with this. And with the other side, which is the white side, I will go ahead later and just do the upper cheek once again. Once this is done, the fun part of doing more artwork on your face begins, and with my Epic Liner by NYX, I'm going to go ahead and start the little bit of drawing that my hand can do on my face. I'm going to go with drawing a few small dots. This pen eyeliner is really intense and it works really well, so I'm going to just draw a few small dots, and that is my version of what should be a heart. But go ahead, feel free to draw whatever you want, because this heart doesn't look like a heart from anywhere. But go ahead, you want to draw a flower, a design, a heart, anything that you wish, and I'm going to go ahead and do that all over my face. Moving on to the lips, just with the same black face paint, I'm going to go ahead and draw lots of little lines all across my lips to give the scattered kind of burnt and cracked lips, like you can see. So just across all your lips, go ahead and do that. Purse your lips and the lines will come on top, and just go ahead and follow that line. So this is the final look, you guys, the dead grandma look, the skull tutorial with all the gemstones. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and like you can see, there's a lot of depth and definition in the face, which has been achieved by using just a few products, your regular high street makeup product. First timer, I am.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So this was literally me getting ready as a skull and heading into Halloween. But the only problem is I wish I had somewhere to go now dressed up all like this. I think I'm getting lazy for Halloween now, to start getting ready all over again, and I should probably go out and party now, and I have nowhere to go. But I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, I would be so happy if you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please hit the like button, leave any comments below. Please share this video with as many people as you can to get into the spirit of girl power. Thank you so much, and this is Tanya from Melodrama, and I hope you enjoyed this look. Mwah.